Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. Can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Ne? Ne. We can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Both of us don't know how. Huwag ka lang, ako yung biktima niyo. Ako yung biktima. Say goodbye. Suddenly say goodbye to the sunrise. We all know. But okay, maybe I'm too honestly stuck in my face. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Eyes were warm like the sun before. Ne. Chills, it takes one touch to make my body know.
Zafina! Zafina!